We have been accumulating attachment traumas and wounds since we were children. This is not the beginning, and it is overwhelming. Your work is to heal the attachment traumas that's stored in your body. All this flood of emotions that's coming up, it's not a disorder. They are your attachment traumas, your younger selves, your shadow popping up and saying, love me. Go all in with me. Make me the priority. Stop cheating on me. Stop pleasing others. Stop abandoning me for the sake of pleasing others, and make me the priority. And that's when we develop a secure attachment within ourselves, and then the outside world will match. So where do you begin? The real work begins when you show up at breathwork, at the overview experience, which I begin with an inner child meditation. So if you haven't done it in a community, everybody says, oh, I've done inner child. It's different than showing up in a community, having me facilitate and guide using the music, doing a little bit of training, showing up in a container. If you want to encase yourself in self-love, show up on these group calls, show up on these events, and I teach you how to love yourself. I didn't love myself before I did this work. And my relationships were showing up as codependent, narcissistic cycles. And being a dad, having a wife, none of that was possible for me until I learned how to heal my attachment wounds. Please understand, no therapist can do that for you. They can guide you into it, but it's you that does the work. And healing your attachment wounds takes for the rest of your life. You don't want to find the solution. You want to learn the process. So we teach you the process to healing your attachment wounds.